Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Do it all if you feel bad. Better live your life. We're running out of time.
They're here, baby. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're, you know, I mean, if you don't get it already, they're made to look like a credit card. So that's what they look like. Front, and this is the back. Yeah, so getting into this video, like I said, I've just been really focusing on business and not really myself per se. So today we are going to be doing my makeup. I bit my lip really hard and it's like it hurts right here, and that's like I bit it way too hard. I'm going to start off with some clindamycin phosphate topical lotion, and this is actually something that I got prescribed to from my doctor. So any kind of moisturizer that you use after you wash your face, even if you're not doing a makeup routine, just anything that you use, you know, that'll do. It's not, this isn't really a tutorial, it's more of just a get ready with me type situation. But yeah, so this is the lotion that I'm going to be using. The bottle looks mad dingy because I use it like all the time. You just want to make sure you shake it well. And you just want to put it on your cheeks, forehead, nose, and your chin. We're just going to rub this in and moisturizing my nose as well because I tend to get really oily right here and here. But yeah. So starting off with our eyebrows. Have a broken spoolie. Brush my eyebrows in an upward motion. We're just doing the eyebrows for right now, but I'm using my dry spoolie, my eyebrow scissors, and a face razor. Okay guys, so I am back, and this is basically the finished product of my eyebrows. Everybody has that one eyebrow that is busted all the time, and then that one eyebrow that's just a little off, but you can't really fix it because it's gonna completely make them uneven. This is the bustin' brow. I love these soft arch. I love it. This one is like the arch, and then this one just goes like straight. But it's okay, we're gonna fix that. For this next step, I'm just going to take my spoolie and my pencil, and I'm just going to lightly taking my pinky and resting it somewhere on my face and holding this in between my index finger and my middle finger and my thumb to sort of guide it. So it's going to be looking like this on my face. It's going to rest my pinky on my face just to give me some stability, and we're just going to draw a line but not reaching this front part.
Children with pets. And how old are your children?
So I mean, this is a get ready with me, so we might as well talk. So the phone that I'm currently recording on, I got the iPhone 12. Got the iPhone 12 recently. My sister took me to go trade it in, and I am very pleased with the phone. I love the way it's so high quality. Like if you look back on my other two videos, my very first video, it was filmed on my iPhone 8. So I feel like this upgrade, you know, this is just begin somewhere. Now what you want to do is you just want to take your pencil and lightly fill in the brows. So now what you want to do is you just want to take your spoolie and kind of blend that in with your natural brow. So just kind of go like back and forth. What you want to do next is you want to go in with your concealer. Always make sure that your concealer is like 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation because it just highlights your face. But for right now, makeup bag, I'm just going to be going in with the Clean Color concealer. Sorry. So this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it is a couple shades lighter than my actual skin, and this is just going to be outlining the brows. So using this, I don't actually use the applicator. I take a smaller, finer brush and dab it in here and then clean up the brows like that. So I recently got the iPhone 12. It is bussin', especially when it comes to pictures, because it just makes everything like 10 times better. We're just going to take our Oh, your brush and just outline your brows. I'm about to be a junior. Well, I mean, I already am a junior, but I feel like it's not valid until you actually go back to school. As of right now, I am very much still a sophomore. We're just gonna talk, do a little chit chat. This is my personal channel. We do not have a YouTube channel yet for Kamari Claus. On my personal account, I would like to really get into helping young girls, like when it comes to hygiene and hitting puberty and things like that, because those are important times for young females. I think it would be a good idea because it'll just make it a whole lot easier for, you know, some people, so they could just watch the channel and just get some information on things they might have had questions on. I'm going to take my flat brush and just blend out that concealer. I don't know, like, I love videos about watching hygiene. It's so important that young girls know how to take care of their bodies, especially if you are more on the heavier side, because being in the summertime, it's mandatory that you take care of yourself. Hygiene, how to take care of yourself, get ready with me's or story times, just little things like that, because at the end of the day, you live and you learn. So, you know, there might be someone out there who will have the same experiences that you do, you know, so it's easy to bond with somebody or to connect with somebody in that way because they experience the same thing. So, you know, I want to be y'all's like older sister, or if we're the same age, I could just be your sister. Or if you're older than me and you still need some advice, I could be your younger sister who's kind of smart. To go in with my Glam Girls inspired 30-piece eyeshadow palette by Paris Hilton. I'm going for like more of a warm tone type situation. That's kind of like my go-to thing, especially if I'm not doing eyebrows and all that. It still looks good with just the eyeshadow and the lashes if I don't feel like doing my full face, you know. So I'm going to be going in with Tempting Bay and a little bit of Sangria and Blaze. This and blend it out over my eyelid. So after I did my eyeshadow, this is just what it looks like, eyeshadow and eyebrows together. Not much, but we're getting there. We take my beauty blender and we're going to dampen it. Cucumber 3-in-1 primer water. You can prep your makeup, set it, and refresh it. So we're just going to take this. It smells really good. It smells like cucumbers. I'm just going to take it and we're just going to spray our beauty blender. So I don't really have that much to talk about. Like, I don't be doing much. I really just be chilling, doing business, or if not business, I'm doing school, and if not school, self-care. Take my concealer that I had earlier. I'm just going to place that under the eyes. A little chin area down here. I don't put on my forehead because I have naturally oily skin, but you can't. Like, it's not against the law if you don't. Spray, and I'm just going to re-wet my beauty blender because I feel like it dried up because I sprayed it and I started talking. So, and then we're just going to take this and just blend out the concealer. I forget to do that. I feel like it'd be easier if you have a foundation brush, but I don't have one. I mean, I do, but it's not like the round one. Like this one, that came in the kit, they said it was a foundation, but it looks like more like a paintbrush. So I just use it to apply it, and then I use this to blend everything out. But just make sure you run it to your hairline, your neck, because you don't want your neck and your thing being two different colors, you know. But I don't wear like low cut shirts or strapless shirts like that, unless it's like a strapless shirt, strapless blue dress, and then I'll have a white shirt underneath it, you know. So anyways, more or less story, my whole top part is covered. So yeah, so this is what it is looking like. We're gonna take the corner of my thing, the pointier part, and let's get in the corner. Okay. Boop. So this is what the face is looking like as of now. Moving on, we're going to take my
like the check-in time for this hotel is 3 o'clock tonight.
I had to make some foundation on here one time. But anyways, we're gonna take our Maybelline New York powder in the shade
So we do
1.
and then so you can blink your card.
I don't know how to read it. It's just loose powder. Like, I don't know. Maybe I took a screenshot, but it works for me. And I'm a dark skin girl, so you know, your beauty blender, the pointiest part, and you just want to pat some. Not too much. You don't need a lot. You just want to pat it and pack it where you placed your concealer at. So as you can see, this is what the face is looking like. I don't keep it on there for too long. I mean, like, I'm not a pro at makeup, but I don't know if I'm supposed to keep it on there for like minutes. You know, like I just don't know. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to dust this all away. Bloop. Okay. Now we're going to take our blush powder kit, and then you just want to take another fluffy brush. This one is much smaller, obviously, compared in size. It has like a little tint because it's the normal color that I use. So I just do that smile and add some blush to it. And I'm not kind of sure. I kind of blend between juicy and great. I kind of blend between those. Or if I just don't know what shade to use for that particular look, I'll kind of just blend them all and then just put it on there and see what it looks like. So I kind of want like a light pink, so I'm gonna use great. What I'm going to do is take my setting spray and do a test spray, because you want to make sure it gets one splash and go. Okay. I'm just going to take a magazine. So what this is doing is just melting all the makeup together. So we're just going to fan the face. Ooh. Just going to fan the face. Get our mirror, and we're just going to go on our waterline. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take eyelash curler and just curl the lashes. I'm gonna take some of that mascara from earlier. Put some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. We are basically done with that portion. So next we're gonna move on to the lashes and lips. And these ones are the more simple ones. Comes in one like real heavy duty cases. So I'm going to go on with mine. My brush on eyelash glue, and this is the Strip Lab adhesive by Kiss. Okay, so I've gotten my lashes on. I use an eye pencil. I know you probably shouldn't be using an eye pencil, but personally I like the way it just works out. So I'm gonna take some and just
Okay, are you a rewards member or
line my lips. After that, you want to take this option, but if you feel like little bumps on your face, you just take this, a liquid eyeliner, and just to cover it up. My setting spray, I'm just going to spray the face, do a test spray, and do it from the distance, and do 3 sprays. Okay. And this is just melting your face together. Now I'm just going to take a magazine and just fan. We are done. So I'm going to clean all this stuff up, and then I'm gonna get changed, and I'll be back. So okay, this is the finished look, guys. I think we did something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.